I have discovered an AI tool that will help you to make money with ease. If you are a student, tech enthusiast, unemployed, or a working class person looking for a side hustle, GMind AI has lots of amazing features that will not just make your everyday life easier but help you to make money on the go. Before I show you the opportunities of making money with this AI, I'm going to be walking you through some of the cool features that comes with this AI. To get started, do well to use the link in the description of this video, and don't forget to use my promo code to get some discounts when you sign up. The next thing you want to do is to click on go to dashboard. Once you launch the dashboard, this is what you are going to see. So this AI comes with both the chat feature and also a search engine. What an amazing AI. I've never seen something like this before. So this particular feature allows you to have a human-like conversation just like every other AI out there. But one interesting thing that no other AI has is this search engine. So this search engine allows you to have a detailed information as well as the sources where this information are coming from. So with the search engine, you can type stuff like what is Bitcoin. This is quite interesting. You can see how detailed the search result is. It has even given us some images. Another interesting feature about this AI is the markdown feature, which allows you to download your search results and you can always have access to it even when you are not online. So you can just click on the PDF format and you'll be able to have it downloaded to your device. So I'm going to open it. You can see it has given me the search results and I have a copy of it, and I don't even need to open GMind AI anytime I'm in need of this particular information. The next interesting thing about this AI is curriculum planner. Let's say you are a teacher, or maybe you are a coach or an author, and maybe you want to come up with a syllabus, you want to come up with lesson planner, or you want to generate learning activities. This is the best AI for you. All you have to do is to click on curriculum planner and you choose either of these three options depending on what you want to do. Another amazing feature of this AI is writer journey. With this particular feature, you could be able to generate short content. Let's say you are a content creator, you are a blogger, or you are a writer, maybe a copywriter. This is the right AI tool that is going to make your everyday work easier. This can help you with learning material generator. It can help you with a comprehensive content creation. It can help you with copywriting. It can help you to make research as well as writing of articles. Resources. This is another amazing feature of this AI. So we have student resources. So let's say, for instance, you have a very lengthy lesson notes and you don't want to pass through the trouble of reading word to word. All you have to do is to come to this AI tool and open Note Summarizer and summarize your notes within few seconds. Another interesting feature of this AI tool is Slide Maker. All you have to do is to click on Educator Resources and you click on Slide Maker. So let's say, for instance, you want to come up with a slide maybe for seminar presentation, project, whatsoever. Trust me, you are going to have to only spend less than 2 minutes to be able to come up with a slide and all the contents therein. So let's say, for instance, I want to make a slide. All I have to do is to give it a topic, why Bitcoin is the future. I will select the kind of audience. I will say grade 8. How many pages do I want? 10 pages. Content resource. I can either provide it with a content or I will say AI generated. Get started. You can construct the details of each slide and maybe make some edits or change everything. You can manually upload images for each slide or you can use AI generated. I'm going to leave it on AI generated. I'm going to click on generate and I'll go to the next one and click on generate, and I will do the same for all the 10 pages. Go through all the images of each slide, and if there is anyone you are not cool with, you can delete it and ask it to generate another one for you. You can edit the font color, size, content size, font family. You can either use AI generated template or you can go for the default template, and I want to go for this. I'm going to click on generate slide. Then the slide has been generated and downloaded into my computer. I'm going to click on this. Amazing. This is quite interesting. Now this is one of my best features of this particular AI. So just click on business resources and then you go to transcriber. This feature allows you to transcribe your audio to text. You can choose to record your audio inside this AI, or you can choose to upload an audio to this AI by clicking on upload audio, and it's going to transcribe it to a text for you within a few seconds. This AI tool has lots of amazing features and I will not be able to cover every one of it, so do well to create an account and try to explore it yourself so that you will be able to get yourself familiarized with this tool that is meant to make your life easier and also help you to make money on a consistent basis. Having learned all these things about this AI, let me know the one you prefer the most and let me know the one you cannot wait to try out in the comments below. As for me, I think I like both the slide maker as well as the transcriber. Now, how can you make money using this AI? The first one on the list is affiliate program. You can become an affiliate to GMind AI, and once people use your referral code to subscribe, you are going to be making money every single month as they keep on subscribing. The second one is that you can help final year students write projects for them and charge them a fee for it. The third one is that you can write ebook using GMind AI and you can sell this ebook for as much as you can and to as many people as possible and make thousands of dollars from it. The fourth one is for remote workers. If you are a remote worker or maybe you are a virtual assistant, you can use GMind AI to get so many things done and make lots of money on the go. And the fifth one, this one is for teachers, authors, coaches. You can use this platform to come up with your course curriculum and all and sell it to maybe your mentees, your students and all. GMind AI has amazing plans that is really cheap, and the cheapest one is 2,500 naira. So do well to sign up and use my promo code to get some discounts when you sign up. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.